Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to schedule a post on Facebook business page. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open your Facebook on browser. You must need to have a Facebook page. As you can see, here's my page. Now I'm going to make a post schedule for this page. So for that, open new tab and search here Facebook Creator Studio, and after that you will get this link here, Facebook Creator Studio. Click on it, then you will jump into this URL business.facebook.com/creatorstudio/home, and here you have to link your Facebook page. Here is my Facebook page and here is my Facebook profile. You have to link your Facebook profile with your Facebook page, and after that click on create post, and after that in this box you can write your caption or what you want to write. You can write here, and here you can add your photos. So I'm going to upload a photo from here. Suppose I want to upload this photo. Also you can upload your video from here. Also you can go to live from this option here, and here we can see my photo is uploaded. And suppose I'm gonna write something here, hello, and scrolling down, then you can add your location here. When your post is ready to upload, you can instant publish this post from this publish button. But we want to know how to schedule this post, so we have to click on this down arrow icon. So click on it, and from here you will get this option schedule post. Click on this schedule post, and here you have to select your date. And suppose I'm going to schedule this post for tomorrow, and the time will be 3:15 p.m. and when it's done, click on save, and now click on schedule post. And after that you will jump into this content library post section, and under this post section you will find your schedule post, and this is how we can schedule post on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.